Welcome back to the Touch to Click channel. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to upload your Suno AI song to YouTube from creating the track to publishing it online. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open Suno AI and click on Create from the left sidebar. This is where you start making new songs or accessing the tools needed to generate music using AI. Step 2. Add your lyrics and click Create to generate a brand new song, or simply select an existing song from your library if you already have one ready to use. Step 3. Click the 3 dots icon next to your song, choose Download, and save the audio file to your device so you can use it outside of Suno AI. Step 4. Open a new browser tab and go to CapCut, then create a new canvas. This helps you turn your audio into a video format. Step 5. Import the audio you just downloaded and add any video clip or picture you want. This gives your song a visual that viewers can watch on YouTube. Step 6. Adjust the length if needed and click Export to download the MP4 version, because YouTube does not support MP3 files for uploads. Step 7. Now go to YouTube and sign into your account. This is required before you can upload any video to your channel. Step 8. Click the Create button at the top right corner of the page. This is where all new uploads begin. Step 9. Select Upload Video and choose your Suno AI MP4 file from your device, then wait for it to start uploading. Step 10. Follow the on-screen steps to add details like title and description, and finally publish the video to your channel. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful guides like this.